Hi, I'm Dr. Karpati, here to review Dr. Remedy nail polish. Nail polish in general is very brittling to your nails. It dries your nails out and it gives fungus a perfect opportunity to attack your nail and get inside. So basically, what I like about Dr. Remedy nail polish is that it helps to prevent brittleness. It is the nail polish with the tea tree oil in it. And what I love about tea tree is that it helps to suppress fungal growth, which is essential in keeping your nails healthy. It comes in some great colors, but if you don't like any of the colors available, you can always go with a clear coat. So what I do with the clear coat is I have the nail polish of my choice, but I use this as my base coat and then use my color coat on top. It tends to give you a great result and it keeps your nails nice and healthy.